Hi, and welcome to Rural Art Connection, the place where your boredom ends and creativity begins. Today we are creating a do-it-yourself Father's Day playmat t-shirt. For this project, you will need a t-shirt. It can be old or new, because you're going to be creating your playmat design on the back. There are two ways to go about creating this project. You can either A, use Sharpie markers primarily, or you can use Sharpie markers in addition to or with acrylic paint. If you don't have Sharpie markers, you can also just use acrylic paint, and you'll see why later on. I also have a ruler, and later you will see me using a pencil. So bare bones for this project: t-shirt, pencil, ruler, and a Sharpie marker. Black, preferably, would be bare bones. Also, you're going to need a piece of cardboard to go inside the t-shirt to prevent it from bleeding through to the front. If you don't have a piece of cardboard or a piece of pressboard like I have, you could use a clipboard, a cutting board, anything that is hard and flat to prevent the Sharpie marker from bleeding through to the other side. Step one is putting your piece of cardboard inside your t-shirt. Then you're going to fold the sleeves and the neck down so they're out of the way. You are going to then measure the car that your kids or whoever are going to be driving around on this playmat. Most Matchbox cars are about an inch wide. I decided to make my tracks or roads about an inch and a half wide to match the cars that my son and daughter will be driving. As I go to start drawing, I want to make sure that I am about 5 inches down from the neck of the shirt. So you want to start where you're going to be approximately between the shoulder blades of the person that's going to be wearing that shirt. I am just measuring my roads again, keeping them about an inch and a half wide, and I'm just sketching it out with my pencil. So the image that keeps popping up on the right hand side of the screen is kind of what I was using as my inspiration. Now, some people might feel this is a lot of work just for a t-shirt, but it's not just a t-shirt. It's a free massage. Essentially, whoever is wearing this shirt is going to become the playmat of the children in your household. The kids will have a cool place to drive their vehicles, the person wearing the shirt will get a free massage, and everybody is interacting with each other. It becomes this cool way to play with your kids. If you have a hard time chasing children, you're really tired after work, you can put this shirt on, lay down in the middle of the living room floor, and the kids just drive their car all over you. Gives you an opportunity to hang out with your kids, gives them an opportunity to be creative and to work on their hand-eye coordination while everybody is bonding and interacting as a family.
gonna peel. I'm gonna peel out. I put my tires. And the dab. It's blood. And the monster. Mom, look at me. I'm gonna head to my beautiful house. I hear my beautiful my little house. Ooh, my house is right here. Oh wait, it's my house. Bye-bye, Chumani. See you later. How could you? Oh, I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play with this one. No many.